the best practices that I recommend would be is we should start definitely evaluating team performance along with individual performance as well. Historically, businesses focus a lot on only individual performance, but I think now it's increasingly important that to also evaluate teams, because individuals don't perform in isolation or just what they do. It's team as a whole that contributes to the organization's success, and that's also important to see how they are contributing in those aspects. Also, what would be important is if we can integrate technology in the whole performance appraisal process. And this is where I mentioned, if we collect objective data and if this is available at the time when we are doing performance appraisal, it could provide more meaningful results, and also help us to undertake more fair evaluation. So that is the thing. Other aspect that I think we can do is, uh, if we can, by implementing these technologies, if we can free up the manual time. So traditionally we have been focused on self-declaration of timesheets. This takes actually a good amount of time to do this exercise, and to a good, and we all know that there is some subjectivity involved in that. But if we can actually free up that manual time, um, this will actually help us as we move forward to have more fact-based data than something that has been self-declared. So that is something that is there. And the key trends that I have also seen is, while we are doing all of this, they're also finding a way to actually implement artificial intelligence and machine learning. With all of this data, there's a good amount of mining that can be done, and it can throw wonderful results for individual teams and the organization. For example, if you have an historical data for 12 months, you can get a data that for 6 months, you will see a individual was one of the high performers, and that is also correlating with the data that has been collected. But the same thing, if you see after 6 months, the productivity has lost. Now that could be various factors. Either the person has disconnected from the organization, it could be that he's facing some personal issues, he's looking for a job change, he's not happy with the work. So it could be many things that it could throw up, and hence those data will be important for individuals as well as teams.